So there are levels of enlightenment. First level is having bliss. Bliss. We got a bliss in such a way that we know that this bliss is in the entire life, physical life. This bliss is highest. Okay, in the physical life, we got many happinesses, but this is supreme. This is utmost. Without a reason in meditation, we got it, but this is like having a very much quality. Nothing in our life, we have all happiest moments also, nothing in front of this bliss. The bliss is amazing. That kind of a bliss you're getting in meditation is first level of enlightenment. Okay. Second level of enlightenment is getting rid of all sadness, anger, fears, and sadness. These three things, mastering these three things is second level of enlightenment. Third level is greater enlightenment. We already mastered. Now it's about spreading the joy, sharing. That's a greater level of enlightenment. Morning to evening, we maintain the smile in our face and we keep on sharing the message of enlightenment. That means the meditation we're teaching. And through that greater level of enlightenment, the dhyana seva is very much important in every aspect, but here also very important. And meditation spreading. Through that, we reach the highest enlightenment, that means seeing everyone as ourselves, oneness, the highest Brahmananda everywhere, ultimate bliss everywhere. But the people who are still having the emotions, emotional drainage, leakage, draining, energy is draining through the emotions, bad emotions. So anger, fear, frustration, irritation, jealousy, is all the emotions. The other people, anybody wants to improve, some more improvement factor is there. What you can do is you can maintain a diary of emotions wherever you lost the energy due to the emotion. We felt that. You note down that diary. And first thing is note down that point as today, anywhere I lost anger, I got fear, anything. Note down that one. And at the time, what you could have done better, so that the anger will not be repeated, because most of the emotions are repeated emotions. So what can I do anything so that it will not repeat tomorrow and next time in my life it will not repeat. So just note down, can I do anything about it? Discuss with your leaders, primary leaders and co-group members, what is the solution? Because sometimes in your perspective, in your only angle, one perspective, one side angle, you will not get the solution. You might not get it, but discuss with other masters, because many masters are there in the Gudakesha. To talk with others and slowly, fastestly, because if you're writing diary, noting down and discussing, it's the fastest method. Okay? The fastest, because meditation helps. Meditation and introspect. This is called introspect, self-observation. Okay, very good, friends. Next level is those who already mastered the emotions. For them, they need to maintain the diary of, can I maintain the God state of ultimate bliss? How much time I am maintaining in a day? Highest bliss, how much time I can be with the highest energy? How much time I am maintaining that God state, highest frequency, avatar level of consciousness, ultimate bliss. How many minutes I am able to maintain that diary? And how can I improve this time? Those who already mastered emotion, they need to maintain the highest state, our consciousness to the best mode. Okay, a smiling state, always smiling, not only smiling in your face, all energy in the fullest, you're connected to the highest energy point, energy in the whole universe. You're in the oneness. Oneness, how much time I maintain the oneness, or how much time I maintain the Brahman at that time. That Brahman at the time and oneness, that you maintain that. Okay, that's a homework for the people who already mastered the emotions.